What's up, V Nation? Welcome back to my channel. So we will be replacing a starter on this 2002 Acura RL. So first things first, remove the negative terminal of the battery. Then right here, I'm removing the axle nut for the axle. So you also want to pop the lower ball joint, remove the through bolt for this fork, just like that. And there's the starter. It's hidden, so it's quite tight to get into get it out. So we need to remove the engine mount, guys. So right here, as you guys can see, there's a 14mm bolt that's at the back. So you do not need to remove the 217 that's there. So anyways, first you just wanna clear the area. So remove any wirings that's in front of it, and obviously the connectors for the starter. You wanna unbolt it. So right there, I am removing the 14mm that's on the back. And also you need to remove the engine mount. So there's 3 bolts and a nut, and there you go. It should come loose just like that. Move that out of the way for now. So right here, guys, is the starter. So they say that it takes 4 hours to do this. It's not that bad. It doesn't take that long. So there's the other bolt that you would have to remove. After you remove the engine mount, there's another 14mm in front. So there's the new starter, guys. Make sure you match it up. And then, so there you go. I was saying there's the 14mm that is covered by the engine mount, and there's the 14mm at the back. Those are the bolts for your engine mount. So what I found here, guys, is a lot easier if you have something to raise and lower the engine, just like that one right there. So you can manipulate it, because one of the back bolts for the engine mount is pretty close to the steering rack. So I had to loosen this hose right here in order to have more room, so I can fit my ratcheting wrench, which is 17mm right there, to tighten that back bolt. But you want to make sure that you started the other 2 bolts and you secured the nut up top. So after tightening the back bolt for the engine mount, I can remove that stand, engine stand. So right here, I'm just tightening the rest of the bolt for the engine mount. Everything's tight. Oh yeah, so right there, guys, I also had to pop the link pin out. I wasn't able to show you guys that earlier, and I removed the axle all the way out so I could have more room. So all the wirings are back in, plugged in, and the negative is also plugged into place. Don't forget to tighten the nut for the engine mount up top also. Yeah, it's somewhere down there. V6 3.5 Acura RL 2002. So I also did an oil change on this, guys. So it takes a 17 and there's your oil filter right there. It's fairly easy, very accessible. 3593 PH3593 Fram oil filter, and it took about 5 liters of 5W30. So there's your brake fluid reservoir, fuel filter, battery, washer fluid bottle, coolant bottle, radiator cap, power steering bottle, air filter.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Daddy. So today we have a 2002 Acura RL 3.5 liter. So I had to do a starter on this. So it says 4 hours to do it, but it doesn't really take that long. You have to first, I guess, unhook the battery and then just unhook the negative terminal, and then you have to pop the axle out. So you gotta pop the lower ball joint, the fork on the strut, and the link pin. Then you should be able to take out the axle, and then you have to undo the engine mount. So you don't have to take out the two 17mm on the back. It's just one 14mm on the back by the transmission, and then after you remove the engine mount, there's another 14 on the front, as you'll see on the video. So anyways, let me just show you guys quickly what this 2002 Acura RL looks like. That's what it looks like, guys. There's the interior, full leather. It's pretty nice for a 2002. Still looks pretty good shape. So let me just show you guys quickly how you would reset the maintenance required light. Like right there, maintenance required light. So first, with the key off, you have to hold this 2 button, the select and the reset at the same time when you turn the key on. So let me just do that quickly. Let me see how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn the key on and hold the button. Hold on a second. So after you do that, let me just do that again. You will see that maintenance required light go off and then come back on while you're still holding on the select and reset there. So once it goes away, the light goes away, that means it's been reset. Does that make sense? So once again, with the car off, hold select and reset, push it down, and then turn the key on with the other hand. You should see the maintenance light light up, and then it will go away, and then it will come back on. And keep holding the select and reset until the light goes off. So yeah, guys. Oh yeah, I actually did a service on this too, an oil change. That's why I'm showing you guys how to do the reset on the maintenance required light. Anyways, what a beautiful day again today. Gorgeous out. It wasn't looking like this morning, but good thing I still rode my motorcycle to work. Anyways, guys, thank you again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.
Yeah.